So complete strangers just gave you a ride home.
Yes, ma'am.
And you got in a car with complete strangers.
No, I mean, I knew them, but and I didn't knew them like.
So you don't have to, when Judge Boyd asks you a question, just do yourself a favor and be honest.
All right, pause right here. This is your first warning label. When Judge Boyd tells you, just be honest, that's not courtroom small talk. That's survival advice. Judges already know the facts by the time you're standing there. What they're watching now is accountability. And, spoiler alert, denial plays very poorly in court. So ask yourself, when the judge already knows the truth, why double down on the lie?
All of the discovery, did you review it with your client?
I have it, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea.
Let's break this down in plain English. Penalty Group 1 is the heavyweight division of drug charges. This is where substances like heroin or cocaine live. And a second-degree felony? That's not a slap on the wrist. That's real prison time. 2 to 10 years is the range, meaning the judge has massive discretion here. This is the moment where most defendants realize this isn't theoretical anymore. Question for you. If you're facing up to a decade behind bars, would you still be minimizing your choices?
With your attorney,
Yes,
did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Do you wish to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
2.
What are their ages?
This right here, this is the golden lifeline. Deferred adjudication means the court is pressing pause on a guilty finding. Translation, you're being trusted not to mess this up. But here's the catch. This deal is fragile. One violation, one dirty test, one bad decision, and that pause button disappears fast. Think of deferred adjudication like borrowed time. The question is, what are you going to do with it?
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, $1,500 fine. That will be probated. When's the last time you had employment? When is the last time you've been employed?
2 years ago.
All right, so how are you supporting your children?
I wasn't working, but I was gonna give me a job.
So then that means you were not supporting your
My mom
children.
was helping me.
So that means you were not supporting your children. Somebody else was.
Yeah.
All right. And so these people that you say you don't know them, they were in a vehicle with you. So you're just in a vehicle with people you don't know?
Yeah, right home.
So complete strangers just gave you a ride home.
Yes, ma'am.
And you got in a car with complete strangers.
No, I mean, I knew them, but and I didn't knew them like that.
What do you mean you don't know them like
I
that?
know them from like how you call it. I know them, but there wasn't my friends' friends.
All right. Why did you have drugs on you? How often are you using?
I didn't use. I was in CPS. I
No,
was getting drug tests.
no. According to this, S1, that's you, was holding, and inside of the purple purse was a small black coin pouch. So there's a purple purse, that is yours. And inside that purple purse was a coin pouch. And inside that coin pouch was 3 small white experience. So let's be clear. And so you're saying that these are random people.
A lot of purses with me that day.
Yep. You're saying that these are random people that you got in a vehicle with, right? You sort of know them, but you don't know them.
This is where the story collapses. Notice how the judge slows everything down? Purple purse, coin pouch, inside your bag. That's not dramatic flair, that's legal precision. Courts don't deal with vibes or excuses. They deal with possession and control. And the moment the container is yours, the responsibility is too. Let's be honest. How many times have we heard, "They weren't really my friends," right before accountability hits?
Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits, one time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. You have been going through life, having children, not supporting them. And you've been getting into cars, according to you, with random people or people that you sort of know. And because of your actions, your children are now separated. That's due on you. One is with the mother-in-law, one is with somebody else. You need to get with the father of your child. They're still separated. And they're separated because you don't have your act together. So you don't know what's going on with your children. You know why? Because you are not in their life clean and sober. You are, if you're in their life, this case was closed, but they decided to close it. But what I'm telling you, if you don't get your life in order, you're not going to be having contact with your children, because I'm not going to allow it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.